In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import plugins in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just getting started, knowing how to import plugins is a vital skill that can enhance your website's functionality. Plugins are essentially tools that allow you to accomplish much more without touching a single line of code. They can range from improving SEO, adding social media sharing buttons, to optimizing site speed, and so much more. So, let's dive into the process of importing them seamlessly into your WordPress site. First, before you start importing any plugin, it's essential to back up your WordPress site. Although importing plugins is a straightforward and safe process, it's always a good practice to have a backup in case anything goes wrong. There are several backup plugins available, or you can choose to back up your site manually. Once that's done, we're set to start installing plugins. Log into your WordPress dashboard. From the main admin panel, navigate to the left-hand side menu. Look for the Plugins option, and as you hover over it, a submenu should appear. Click on Add New. This click takes you to the plugin repository, a vast library of tools right at your fingertips. Here, you can browse, search, and find plugins according to what you need. For instance, if you're looking to improve your website's SEO, you might type in a keyword like SEO into the search bar. Instantly, a variety of plugins will appear that cater to this need. Each plugin has a short description. It's crucial to read through these carefully to ensure they align with your project goals. Once you find a plugin you like, you can click on More Details to view comprehensive information and check its ratings and reviews. After making your choice, click the Install Now button next to your chosen plugin. WordPress will handle the rest, downloading and installing the plugin onto your site. After a few moments, an Activate button will appear. Activation is a critical step because, until activated, the plugin is not operational on your site. Click Activate, and within seconds, the plugin is live. You'll often be redirected to a setup page, or it might add a new option in your dashboard menu for further configurations. In some cases, you may want to upload a plugin manually. To do this, you'll need the plugin in a .zip format. Return to the Add New page under Plugins, but this time click on Upload Plugin. Here, you'll select your .zip file and hit Install Now. Just like with the direct install method, you'll need to activate it after installation for it to function on your website. Lastly, it's wise to keep your plugins updated. Regular updates are essential for security and functionality improvements. Navigate back to Plugins in your dashboard periodically to check for any updates. WordPress will notify you if updates are available. Keeping up with these ensures your website runs smoothly and remains secure. And there you have it. Importing plugins on WordPress is not only simple, but it opens up a world of possibilities to enhance your site. Remember, each plugin can bring a unique feature to your site, so choose those that best fit your needs. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident in enhancing your WordPress site with plugins.